Okay, so fascia is showing on you, so we're gonna just see if we need to work on these a little bit fascial wise. So they're good. Let's see out here. The calf probably, yeah. Let's work on your calves a little bit. We're gonna go face down. Ooh. So in Violet's case, because the anterior tibs were not active, her calves are overworking. Okay, so then these are getting hella tight because they're not getting any help from an antagonist that's on the front of the lower leg. And she's a soccer player, and so she's basically running the entire game, and she's only able to use like half of her lower leg, and it's very painful when you have shin splints. So with NIS, the brain pointed out anterior tibialis wasn't activating. We reset it. These guys are active now, but now the calves are showing really tight, so we need to release the calf just to get her back into balance down here. And like she said, she's already not achy when she walked and got up off the table, which is really good. So we're just gonna clean up what's left over real quick.